So we got these new filters for our Cuisinart coffee maker. It comes in a package of 12. We've already opened it up. Each one of these is individually wrapped. Not sure why they had to do that, but they did. I guess to keep them in good shape until you need them. As we were looking into buying these, we did find out that the Keurig filters will not work in your Cuisinart. They're just too big. So you need to get the Cuisinart filters. This is the machine that we have. The filter is in there. So to get to it, you just got to pull this whole thing out. Then, of course, take off the lid and pull out this black thing. Once you did that, you just pop this open and you can switch out the filter. Just like that. Pop the new one in, close it up, and just slide it down. And the cool thing is, these fit all the Cuisinart machines, both the newer ones and the older ones. So they can remove calcium, chlorine, and other impurities. A new one will improve the life of your coffee machine and also make your coffee taste better. So you just gotta change it from time to time. These were a great deal. I definitely recommend them.
There's a link in the description. If you order through that, I get a small commission. I would greatly appreciate it.